In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent invalid bot traffic in website using Cloudflare. If you've noticed odd spikes in traffic, suspicious clicks, or forms filling themselves out, there's a good chance bots are poking at your site. Cloudflare makes it simple to reduce that noise and protect your resources with a feature called Bot Fight Mode. Let's walk through how to turn it on and what to expect. Start by opening the Cloudflare website and heading to your dashboard. This is where all of your connected domains are listed in one place. On the main page, you'll see your domains displayed in a table or grid. Click the specific domain you want to protect. Everything we do next will apply only to that site, so choosing the correct domain is important if you manage more than one. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a search bar designed to help you jump straight to settings without hunting through menus. Type the word bots into that search bar. You should see a result labeled bots, usually under the security section. Click that to open the bot management area for your selected domain. On the bots page, scroll down until you see Bot Fight Mode. This is Cloudflare's built-in tool that automatically identifies and combats known malicious and automated traffic. When you enable it, Cloudflare challenges or blocks suspicious requests at the edge, which helps cut down on scraping, credential stuffing, and other automated abuse before it ever reaches your server. Flip the switch to enable Bot Fight Mode. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and apply the change. The setting takes effect quickly, and you don't need to restart anything on your site. From this point forward, Cloudflare will work to separate legitimate human visitors and verified good bots from harmful automated traffic. A few tips as you use this feature. Bot Fight Mode is designed to allow reputable crawlers and essential services, so your search engine indexing and common integrations should continue to work normally. However, if you rely on custom scripts or niche automation tools, be aware that aggressive bot mitigation can sometimes interfere with them. If something stops behaving as expected, review the bots page to understand what's being challenged and consult Cloudflare's guidance on adjusting sensitivity based on your plan. That's it. By enabling Bot Fight Mode for your chosen domain, you've taken a meaningful step toward reducing invalid bot traffic, protecting bandwidth, and improving the experience for real users.